Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Armada door panel. Begin by disconnecting the battery and gathering your tools, including trim tools and a 10 mm socket. Work on a flat surface with good light and wear gloves if needed. Keep a small container for screws and clips so nothing gets lost. Take photos as you go to remember clip locations and wiring connections for an easier reassembly. Start by prying out the handle trim and removing all visible screws from the armrest and lower panel. Carefully insert a trim tool at the panel edge and pop clips loose, working from the bottom up to avoid damage. Keep track of different screw lengths and clip types in separate bowls. When the panel loosens, support it with one hand as you move to the next section to prevent dropping or scratching paint. After the panel is loose, lift it enough to access wiring connectors and press each release tab to unplug them. Remove the power window switch harness and place the switch on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. If the speaker blocks removal, unbolt it with a 10 mm and disconnect its wiring harness. Keep all connectors facing up and label any unusual plugs so reconnection during reassembly is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.